Hello guys. Today we try to see another thing that I don't use in my strategy. So my strategy does not use moving averages. Uh, Maybe you have heard about moving averages. Most of the swing traders and investors, they use moving averages. It is just a technical analysis indicator. Okay, so why is that? Why I don't use it? So a moving average is just the average of past closing days. It means you find, for example, 15 days or 50 days, and the closing days. It means the price that the stock has closed with. Let's say $20, for example, and yesterday it is 19.50, like this. It means these days they do the sum up and then they divide and they give you a line, and I will show you now with a chart how to see it. So this average gives you no indication whether the stock is going up for sure or not. Okay, it's just an indicator. Some investors and swing traders still use it, but for our way of doing business, we don't use it. Okay, I will show you now why. Okay, this is the chart of Facebook, a daily chart. Now let's go and put an indicator, which is a moving average. Okay, now it is blue. I will change it with yellow, at least you can see it clearly. Okay, this is the line. Now how do we use it? If the stock is going above this line, you buy. Okay, and if the stock goes down like here, you sell. Now the problem is that the stock was 50, it goes to 57, and then it is going down to 53. Okay, so it goes down the line here and you should sell. Then you buy it again here, and then it goes for many days and it goes down, and you should sell it here in this price, and you will buy it here. Now the problem with this is that when it reaches a high like here, which is 72.59, from 72.59 the stock goes to 64. So about $8 you lose from your profit. $8 from this high here to here. And here it says you to sell. So this is really a problem. Okay? Because for us, if we want to sell, we don't sell here. We sell here on the top, like $1 or $2. So we take our gain, our profit, too much gain, or a lot of gain, or a lot of profit. Okay? Here it says don't do nothing. And then here it says buy. Here it says sell because it touches the line. Here it says buy again. Here it says sell. Here it says buy again. Here it says sell. After a few days, sell, buy. After a few days, say sell. You see here, it gives you a lot of buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. If you follow like this, you will lose a lot of money. Okay, you will lose a lot of money. So that's why this moving average, I don't use it, and I don't recommend to use it because it is useless. When we go into details about my strategy, you will see that there are other ways to do business than this. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.